In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're signed in to your account. The first fix that you can try is to change profiles on TikTok, since this might causing the issue. So go ahead and head over to your another profile, and this might fix the issue of not having the photo mode on your account. Now, if this doesn't work out with you, you can try out the next method, which will require you to head over to the Play Store. On your app list, go ahead and look for the Play Store, and on the Play Store, go ahead and search for TikTok. Check if there are any updates on TikTok that you haven't installed yet. So as you can see in here, my TikTok app is up to date, since if it wasn't, you'll find an update button instead of an open button. Now, if you've already updated your app and it still doesn't have a photo mode, then head over to the app info of TikTok. On the app info, go ahead and click on the uninstall button and uninstall TikTok on your device and try reinstalling it again. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.